Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your Access database file and Visual Studio environment. Confirm the Access file uses the ACDB format and is not password protected. Install the matching Office ACE OldDB drivers for your machine, either 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio and target a compatible NET framework such as NET Framework 4. 8. To ensure provider support. Create a simple access table named Customers with ID as auto number and name as short text fields for testing. Next, build and validate your connection string within Visual Studio configuration. Use provider equals Microsoft ACE OldDB 12 0 and include the full data source path to your ACDB file. For example, provider equals Microsoft ACE OldDB 12 0 data source equals c/data/mydb. ACDB persists security info equals false. Save this string in app config or secrets manager for reuse and security. Ensure your project platform target matches the ACE. Finally, implement data access code in your Visual Studio project using system data OldDB. Open an OldDB connection with the configured connection string before executing any commands. Create an OldDB command with a select statement, then use an OldDB data adapter to fill a data table for binding to UI controls. Use parameterized queries to prevent injection when inserting or updating records. Always close the OldDB connection or wrap it in a using block to ensure proper disposal and avoid locked access files during development or deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.